guys! Today's video is about my beach glow makeup. This is my favorite beach hat. I don't know, I can't take myself seriously in this hat in the house. I love using this hat to go on walks or even read my books outside because it keeps my face from getting burned in the sun, and I feel like I'm doing something to protect my skin. This hat is actually from the Lauren Conrad collection at Kohl's. I don't really shop at Kohl's very much, but Lauren Conrad is one of the reasons that I do because I love her style. I love her inspiration and looks. Recently, I've just been more careful to protect my skin from the sun. I just think it's a routine that I need to be getting into more often and that I should be doing more consistently. I have several SPF and makeup products I mentioned that work really well at the beach. I will link everything down in the description box below, so like where I got this hat and where I get a lot of my products that I use at the beach. I upload beauty videos every week, so be sure to hit that notification bell and subscription button in order to be notified when I upload throughout the week. Excuse my voice, but I am a little bit sick, so oh well. That did not stop me from filming this video. I'm going to start by putting on my Becca Backlight priming filter just to get that nice glow that I am always talking about. There was a bird right outside my window. I don't know if you can hear it, but I've tried to shoo it away and it's not going away. This is a foundation by Dermablend. It's a cover cream with sunscreen in it. It's a very light coverage. I like using my beauty blender for this because I feel like I get a light but enough coverage with it. With the brush, it would be a little bit more than you would need, I think. But this does have sunscreen in it, and it gives just like a nice base and protects the face at the same time. And I love cream products right now, so this can be used in combination with other sunscreen products, but since I wear a hat on the beach and I'm not really trying to expose my face to the sun, this works perfectly fine. And this is a really nice base for all my cream products I like to use. Like I like my cream bronzers, my cream blush, and it just makes them all stick together and blend really well and make it look very, very natural. This is definitely more of its own product and category because this isn't a foundation. This is just a cover cream that gives you a little bit of color, almost like the tinted moisturizer, but this has sunscreen in it and it has a little bit more of a long-lasting quality than a tinted moisturizer has. So this tends to work really well for me in the summer. Just because I'm not a foundation girl in the summer, I want a very natural but glowy look, and I need that base in order to have my bronzers and my illuminating products on. So this is a perfect alternative for me. You can get this at Ulta, and guys, I have been loving this. I feel like this is a product that I haven't really heard anybody talking about, and it's so good. It's definitely not a water resistant formula, but it works when you're walking on the beach and you want just a light coverage, or you're just trying to get a little bit of a tan on your body, or maybe you're just sitting out in a lawn chair reading a book. That is the purpose of this. I feel like this is just a really great sunscreen, but gives you a little bit of color and natural looking radiant skin. I am telling you right now, most foundations don't really work on me in the summer because of my oily skin. So if any of you have found something that is similar to this, please let other people know, because I mean, we're all looking for products that are going to work for us. So yeah, I really, really love this cover cream. I keep on wanting to call it foundation, but it's not a foundation. I just went in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz in Caramel to do my eyebrows really quick. I did it very naturally. I just like to have a little bit of definition, and then I went on top of it with my Anastasia Brow Gel. I'm going to use my Chanel Cream Bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer for the summer. I love wearing this to the beach because it stays in place if I'm not getting in the water. If I'm getting in the water, not so much, because I mean, there's not very many products that last on my skin if I'm getting in the water. Let's be real. And it works so incredibly well with the Dermablend Cover Creme. It's crazy. I love it. It's like a perfect match. Oh, and I don't use setting powders when I go to the beach because I find that it messes with my cream products. For sticking with cream products, I always like to go in with my Fenty Beauty Chili Mango Cream Blush. I love this color. It looks really scary, but let me tell you, this color is so pretty. It's not even funny. I like my orange undertones, so this may look really scary, but it's not. I promise, you'll see. I'm using my Real Techniques buffing brush. I like to use this because it has that dense bristle. What am I trying to say? It applies this cream blush really well. The undertones all mesh together so well. Like, this looks like a natural flush of color. And I like that orange undertone because this just speaks summer. I love using this Nars Soft Matte Concealer. I'll put this on my lids and even into my inner corner to hide a little bit of that blue, weird blue color that I have on my inner corner right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's weird. This is a really, really great concealer as well. I know I've been using my Jeffree Star Magic Star concealer because that one is so good, but this is a really great concealer as well. I've been trying to get myself off of the Magic Star concealer because that's not the only concealer in the world, but this one works really well in the summertime. It doesn't crease on my eyelids, and it's a really great base for my makeup on my eyes, especially if you don't have like a eye primer base. This works really well. Now that I have a little bit of a base for my eyeshadow, I like to go in with my butter bronzer and use this as my eyeshadow shade. This is the perfect crease color. And I just go in with this big fluffy brush and I just messily put it everywhere on my eye, just to give myself a little bit of definition. See, you can totally tell the difference. Sometimes I feel like you can't see how big of a difference it is on camera, but in person it makes a huge difference. We're definitely not going for an intense eyeshadow look since we're going to the beach, but I like a little bit of something. I normally don't do this, but I just want to wear this today, so bear with me. I'm going to wear a little bit of this bronzer today just because it smells so good. All right, we'll stop there, otherwise it'll get too intense too fast. I want a little bit of shine and sparkle on my eyelids, and there is a shade that I love using in this palette. This is a Tarte limited edition palette by Apsyn Ovard, and this shade right here is my favorite. This is like the best bridal shade. It is just the most beautiful shimmer ever. So I'm gonna pop a little bit of this on my eyelid. I'm not gonna go super intense because I do want this eye look to be very natural, but I like a little bit of shine on my inner corner, and you will see. It is just so pretty. Big difference. That is all that I'm going to do aside from doing my mascara on my eyes. I love using the Maybelline Lash Sensational waterproof mascara. This stuff lasts forever, and it is kind of hard to get off if you don't have the right products, but if you're going to the beach, this is literally the best mascara. It will not fall off, at least it doesn't on me, and I love this mascara so much. This is my favorite drugstore mascara for sure. This mascara is better than all of my high-end mascaras. This is just my favorite. This also is another mascara that I can use on my bottom lash line. Usually I have to use my Clinique High Impact mascara, but this is one mascara that I found works perfectly fine on my lower lash line without getting gunk everywhere. And that is my eye makeup completed. Now I'm going to go in with my Artist Couture Loose Powder Highlight in Summer Days. This is, oh, it's Summer Haze. I've been saying Summer Days. This stuff is the best. If you don't want texture showing with your highlighters, this is the way to go. And it looks stunning in the sunlight. Every single little shimmer is just illuminated in the sunlight, and it looks amazing. So this is my first highlighter that I turn to if I know I'm going to be out in the sun all day, because let me tell you, this glow is for real. I don't even need a mirror with this because the sparkle is so fine in this highlighter, and I literally like to dust this just on my cheekbones and almost all over my face, but not quite. Like I like putting it on my nose, a little bit onto my forehead. This is just the best highlighter for oily skin and textured skin. I'm gonna go in with my Farsali 24K Rose Gold Skin Mist to set my makeup. I don't know if it makes your makeup last longer necessarily, it just makes everything mesh together. To finish off the makeup look, I'm not going in with a lip gloss or anything. I'm just gonna go in with this Winky Luxe Matcha Lip Balm. I like going in with just a lip balm when I'm going to the beach. I don't like using a lip gloss or a lip color or anything because a lot of times my hair will stick to my lips and it's really annoying. So yeah, I just use lip balm. I am going to do my hair really quick and kind of show you what I like using on my hair at the beach to finish off this look for you. I'm going to go in with this Mediterranean Sea Mist first, and then I will go in with the Verb Sea Spray. I just like the scent of this one. I don't really do much to my hair when I go to the beach. I just like to put in like a sea mist or something, and then I go on top of it with this Verb Sea Spray because, I don't know, I just feel like the two work together and I like the smell of this one. Gives me a little bit of texture and volume because my hair is gonna get frizzy anyway when I go to the beach, so there's no sense in me curling my hair or anything. But I do like these two combined together. I just think that they work well with my hair. And now I need to top it off with my favorite beach scent ever. This is the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. This stuff is amazing. I love the scent of this. This is, I mean, summer, everything about summer in a bottle. I've used so much of it. I don't know. I really love this. This is my staple summer fragrance. That is everything about summer. I feel like I am going to the beach right now. This is the hat that I wore a lot last year. It says blah, blah, blah. Isn't that perfect? I recently found a better one that covers my face better. And it's another hat by Lauren Conrad. And I don't know, I really love Lauren Conrad's stuff. She has the best style ever. It has this little lining in here that says, "Take me away, I'm packable." So cute. So yeah, Lauren Conrad is the way to go if you're looking for beach hats. It is the perfect shape for my head. And like, you can even tell right now, oh, I'm trying to get that bow in the back. You can even tell right now that it is like covering my face, it's shading my face. So this is the perfect beach hat. I look so crazy talking into my screen right now. But anyway, yeah, this is my favorite beach hat. That is the door. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and let me know. Tell me what your favorite beach products are, what do you wear to the beach, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.